Welcome to the Colorado Tax Relief Channel presented by Cash Tracks Financial. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I am Marcelino Dodge, enrolled agent. Today I'm here to answer the question, can a $400,000 tax debt really be reduced to $0? Well, each taxpayer circumstances are different. I actually have a case that I personally worked on that the answer to that question is yes. For that taxpayer, they came to me with a $400,000 tax bill after the IRS had filed a substitute tax return for them. How did we fix it? Well, I met with the clients. We went over all the information, gathered their documents. I came up with a solution of how to move forward. And then we moved forward, submitted what we needed to the IRS. And in this particular case, yes, this tax debt was able to reduce down to $0 for the taxpayer, and they are extremely happy with the result. So don't take this as a typical example, but yes, the answer to that question is a $400,000 tax debt can be reduced to $0 according to each taxpayer's facts and circumstances. And that's the key point. So that you can go from feeling all distressed, worried, and overwhelmed about your tax debt to a feeling of being relaxed, confident about the future, and optimistic about the future as you move forward, which is what I, Marcelino Dodge, work to do for you each and every day here at Cash Tracks Financial.